morning folks, welcome along to Munich Tour Tips TV. Alan here. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Today I'm going into the city to do an update on how the work is progressing in and around the Hauptbahnhof station, the main station. So come and join me in the city. Okay, so we're entering on the west side of the Hauptbahnhof, or the main station, which is the Starnberg wing. The main building that you can see over to the right here is going to be demolished eventually, and then there'll be a new building erected which will house retail outlets and restaurants. And what's noticeable as you come into the station is that in terms of getting around, everything is running pretty much normally. Sections of the station are closed off, but in terms of getting your links between cities and your train travel to wherever, to the airport or whatever, you know, the main station is up and functioning. This is the way that they've planned it all out, is that the station runs as normally as possible through the duration of the project. The project is due to be completed in 2028. So here in February 2023 we've still got 5 years to go. The Deutsche Bahn lounge is at the top of these escalators to the right as well, so you still have the possibility of relaxing before your connecting journey when you're at the station. And this area of the station, which is now effectively closed off, although the Reisezentrum is still here, which is the place where you can buy tickets, that will eventually be the nebulous, the core of the station. However, when you get on the outside, we can see all the building works going on, and to be quite honest, not a lot has changed in the quite a few months since I made my last video over here. The work is still in full flow. There are 6 gates around the outside of the station. You can see Tor number 6 there, gate number 6, which allows access for workers on the project and also for machinery to get in and out of the project area. Everything else is fenced off. So in terms of documenting the building of the station, you can't generally get access in there for health and safety reasons. So all I can do at this stage is move around the outside of the station. See all the cranes there, lifting materials to and from various areas of the site. Hopefully once the thing starts to come to fruition, a lot of this will come down. And in terms of documenting what's happening on video, it'll be a lot clearer as to what's going on. So what I'm doing at the moment is taking a little walk around the station from the sort of northeast corner where Tor 6 is, around to gate number 1, which is on the west side of the station where I started off the video. Serious civil engineering work going on here, and as a tourist coming into the city it looks quite disruptive. But as I say, in terms of the trains, always check to make sure everything's on schedule, but pretty much everything is running as normal. You can see gate number 5 there, the gate was coming down just as we were walking around, and on these big photographs here we can see what the station is going to look like in the future, hopefully when it's all completed on schedule. Not only the rebuilding of the main station here, but there's also a new branch line being built underneath the city as well, because the current system can't facilitate the sheer volume of travellers that are using the Munich S-Bahn and U-Bahn and all the other trains. So they're building another trunk line under the city to try and alleviate the pressure off the centre of the city. And that includes a new station at the Marienhof as well, which is adjacent to Marienplatz. Also, there's going to be a new U-Bahn line. Currently there are 8 U-Bahn lines, but there's a 9th one planned, and access to that 9th line will be from the nebulous area within the main station. Here we are on the Starnberg wing of the station again, and again, just like months ago, we've got a similar situation with all of the work going on. There's gate number 1. So I've just given you a little walk around the outside of the facility. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Just to let you know that there are some more videos coming up very soon. I'm going to be doing a day trip to Salzburg, and also we're going to be looking at the Munich Carnival, or the Fasching as it's called here.